Okay, so the question is to find the number of all onto functions from set in the elements of the set of 1 to n to itself. Okay, so the question is, I will just represent 1, 2, 3 till n to itself, 1, 2, 3 till n. Now the definition of onto function, onto is that codomain should be equals to the range. Codomain and range should be equal, right? Codomain and range for the function should be equal. So set, let's say the set A to function B, set A to set A. Now because the number of elements in both are same, if suppose it is a function, if it is a function, first thing that I cannot connect one with more than one. One cannot have more than one image. So that means one element has to be linked with one. Every element has to be linked with only one. So this one can be linked with suppose 2, this 3 can be linked with suppose 4, and so on, right? More, if suppose any other element, suppose this nth element also gets linked with 4. Suppose if any other element also gets linked with 4. Now you can see that if I'll keep on linking these elements with something else, some other elements, at least one of them will be left out. That means this function, this kind of function, for it to be onto, it has to be 1 1 also, 1 1 also, right? If it is not 1 1, suppose n I'm taking 5, for example. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. What I will do, I will link at one element with two elements with 1. Okay, so 1 is linked with 1, suppose 2 is linked with 2, 3 is linked with 3, 4 is linked with 4, and 5 is linked with also 4. So this becomes many one. When this becomes many one, this cannot be onto, because this 5 will not be linked with any element. Understood? So it has to be 1 1 also. So if it is 1 1, so we can see that how much possibilities. So I will take elements from 1, right? So 1 has how many possibilities out of n? How many elements can 1 connect to? N elements, right? Then I will take 2. 1 is connected to n, right? 1 is already connected to one of the elements, so remaining element is n minus 1. So 2 has how many options? 2 has n minus 1 option, right? Now next, if I'll take 3 has how many options? 3 has n minus 2 options. Now I'll take 4 has how many options? N minus 3, and so on. The last element will have only one option left, because all the other will be linked with something else. So this is 1. We know this, if I'll rearrange, it will be 1 into 2 into 3 till n, and this is nothing but n factorial. So the answer for this question is nothing but n factorial.